today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a PTR record using Cloudflare. This process will help you manage your domain's DNS settings efficiently. Let's dive right in and make this as straightforward as possible. First off, you'll want to head over to Cloudflare's website. If you haven't used it before, Cloudflare is a popular cloud service that provides a range of website-related services, including DNS management. Logging in should be straightforward. Just enter your credentials and you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Once you're logged in, you need to ensure that you're in the right section of your account. Next, let's proceed to the domain section. This is where all the magic happens. Find and select the domain for which you'd like to set up a PTR record. Once you've selected your desired domain, the most important step is to click on DNS. The DNS tab is your gateway to managing all domain-related records. Once you're in the DNS section, look for a button labeled Records. Click on that and you'll find an option to Add Record. This is an intuitive interface aimed at making your life easier when handling domain configurations. Here's where you need to pay particular attention. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Type. What you want to do now is change this type to PTR. A PTR record or pointer record is crucial for reverse DNS lookups, essentially acting as the domain name's signpost. Entering incorrect information here can lead to your domain not being recognized as it should, so it's important to be precise. Now it's time to input the necessary details. At this stage, filling out the remaining fields is fairly straightforward. Depending on your application and what you're trying to achieve, you'll have specific values to enter. These might be provided by your hosting provider or an application you are configuring. So make sure you have these details handy before you start. After you've filled out all the details, don't forget the final and crucial step. Click Save. This simple action is easy to overlook, but it solidifies all the changes you've just made, committing them to Cloudflare's system. And just like that, you've successfully set up a PTR record using Cloudflare. The process we've laid out here is compact, yet covers all essential steps to get your PTR record configured correctly. Remember, this configuration is an important piece in the DNS puzzle, helping ensure everything on your domain runs smoothly. By following these steps carefully, you'll be managing your DNS settings like a pro. If at any point you need to revisit or adjust the settings, just return to the same section on Cloudflare and you'll be able to modify any records as needed. This structured approach should give you confidence in managing your website's DNS settings moving forward.